In a world where sustainability and innovation drive progress, one company is leading the charge in transforming water management through solar energy. Welcome to Solartive. Our 4,000 square meter facility produces over 1,20,000 pump sets annually. We started as an electronic trading company in 2007 and became a manufacturing firm in 2020. We have installed over 1 lakh solar pumps, including the PM Kusum scheme, reaching over 300 villages and small towns. With a top-tier controller setup, 4 GRMS, IP65 ratings, and the Solartive app, we ensure high-quality performance and durability. Automatic circle cutting gives incredible finish and ensures uniformity. Deep draw provides a high level of consistency in shape and size, enhances the strength, durability, and performance. There are many other important and crucial processes involved in pump manufacturing, like projection welding, in-house tool room, and die designer team to develop innovative dies. Stator and shaft machining on CNC. Different components of pumps and motors are processed at the same time in dedicated CNC machines. Shaft key cutting and spline cutting. Carefully align the components to ensure they fit correctly. Stator pulse welding. Our skilled winding team ensures consistent tension and alignment for improved motor efficiency, performance, and longevity. High voltage and mega testing. Dedicated dust-proof magnet room. Motor fitting. Our solar water pump testing setup is designed to evaluate the performance of our pumps as per MNRE guidelines. High-quality laser engraving. Buffing to achieve smooth and shiny finish. We adhere to stringent packaging standards. Solartive is dedicated in providing sustainable, indigenous, eco-friendly, reliable, and efficient products.